Two of our customers asked me the exact same question in the same week about whether they can connect their marketing data to Manus using Adzviser MCP. So I tried it and it worked.
Adzviser.
Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Since Meta acquired Manus back in December 2025, I've been wanting to try it out myself. I was curious to see if a digital marketer could actually use a tool like Manus to build reports or execute tasks better than ChatGPT or Claude. Interestingly, two of our customers asked me the exact same question in the same week about whether they can connect their marketing data to Manus using Adzviser MCP. So I tried it and it worked. That's why I'm starting a new series showing how marketers can use Manus to build reports with real performance data from their marketing campaigns. But before we jump in, I want to address a question that I get all the time these days. People ask me, can Adzviser improve their brand visibility? Can Adzviser lower their CPA? Can Adzviser, increase their ROI? Can Adzviser just simply run all of their cross-channel campaigns while they sit back and take a sip of coffee? Well, the honest answer is not really. Over the past few years, so many of us have been burned by over-promised AI tools. People are just so tired of AI solutions that simply just won't work in real life. Relying on AI to fully run your marketing campaigns is like relying on AI to invest all your money away in the stock market. It might make money, but you just simply can't trust it all the time. At least I won't. What actually drives good decisions is good data. AI is very goddamn good at giving recommendations when it sees clean, structured, real data. And that's exactly where Adzviser comes in. Instead of, manually uploading CSV files to AI, Adzviser directly connects real-time marketing data with AI tools. So AI that you're working with has that data to make that good, informed decisions. And you are still the final decision maker, which it should be, the one who actually approves or rejects whatever AI suggests. That's where Adzviser plus AI becomes really powerful. All right, let's jump into how to build marketing reports in Manus. Are you ready? I know I am. Let's go. All right, guys. So we are currently on Manus. Let's go to settings, connectors, add connectors. Let's go to custom MCP tab, and let's add Adzviser as a custom MCP through direct configuration. Let's type in Adzviser. For the icon, let's do this one right here. For the notes, let's do here. And all of this will be shared in our official help docs. These notes and the icon URL aren't really required. We just put it there just to increase the success rate for our queries to our marketing data. What really is necessary here is the server URL. Let's type in mcp.adzviser.com/http. Okay, let's save it. Beautiful. And now let's start getting our real-time marketing data, okay? Real-time Google Ads data. How much did I spend on Google Ads last month in demo workspace? I will explain what a demo workspace really is in the scope of Adzviser a little bit later. And now let's just simply wait for a bit. Okay, now it's basically going through all the available tools in Adzviser. Now it's asking us to log in. Let's log in. Okay. All right. So we can finish this OAuth authentication process by clicking this simple button, complete authorization via MCP. But before we do that, I do want to explain the concept of a workspace in Adzviser. So what a workspace really is in Adzviser is that it acts like a directory or a folder in your file system. Okay. You can put all of your cross-channel accounts under one workspace from sources like, hey, Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Microsoft Ads, Shopify, and so on and so forth. And it basically is a way for you to organize all of your cross-channel accounts, and it makes it a lot easier for AI to send requests to Adzviser server and get your marketing data. Okay, so for the time being, let's just click complete authorization via MCP. Okay, we will be redirected back to Manus. Let's see. Now it's listing all of the workspaces available in Adzviser. Okay, and now it's listing all the metrics available in Adzviser Google Ads connector. Okay, and now it's actually getting the real-time Google Ads data now. Okay, so in the month of January 2026, the Google Ads account under our demo workspace spent about $9,397 on Google Ads. I really hope that this video makes sense. Thank you so much for watching, and there will be more videos coming up. Thank you so much.
Adzviser, 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 Adzviser.